Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see class 10 CBSE or NCERT chapter number 8 Introduction to Trigonometry 31 mark based on MCQ I am going to teach you, and this is very useful for Tamil Nadu State Board and those who are preparing for TNPC also. Now we'll go for question number 1. 2 tan 30 degree divide 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Right. For learning these things, we must learn the trigonometry table, complementary, trigonometry reciprocal, everything, the basic you should learn. So the trigonometric introduction, this chapter introduction I will give in the description. Those who not know about the introduction, please you can see that, then come to 1 mark. Right. Now we'll go for this step. So 2 into tan 30, in the sense we know 1 by root 3 whole divide 1 plus tan square 30 na 1 by root 3 whole square. That's it. Right. Now we'll simplify this. You will get this answer. So 2 into 1, 2 divide root 3. And if you apply the square, 1 divide 3, take cross multiple. Then 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1 4. So 4 by 3. Okay. Now if we take reciprocal for this, so 2 divide root 3 into this 4 by 3 goes to numerator, it will be reciprocal. Then 3 by 4. Then see, 1 time, this 2 time will be cancelled. Then what is the remaining we have? This 3, I can able to write root 3 into root 3 whole divide root 3 into 2. Now see this, root 3 is cancelled. Remaining I have root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, just see where we have in the option, number is not there. But they have given some value. Root 3 by 2, which is equal to for which one? This is which is equal to sine 60 degree. We have in option A. So this is sine 60 degree, you will get it. So answer A. So that is your required one. Okay. Right. Now we'll go for next question. Question number 2. 1 minus tan square 45 divided 1 plus tan square 45. So tan 45 we know is a 1. So 1. First I am writing 1 minus tan square 45, now that is 1 tan 45 1 square in the sense tan square. So 1 plus again tan square 45. So tan 45 value 1, we have a square, so I am squaring this. So 1 square the value 1, so 1 minus 1 you will get it, and here 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 we are getting 0 by 2. 1 plus 1 2. 0 by anything 0. So where we have option number D. That's it. Now we'll go for question number 3. Sin 2a, which is equal to 2 sin a, is true when a equal to what angle? So what angle if you give a, the both left hand side right hand side will be equal. So will be 1 1, we'll check. The option A first, then option B, option C, everything we'll check. First we'll go for option A. First I'm taking left hand side. Left hand side we have sin 2a means sin into 2 into 0 degree. So 0 degree into 2 now, again you will get 0 degree. Sin 0 equal to 0. Take the left hand side answer. Now we will go for right hand side. Right hand side I have 2 sin A. So 2 sin A, which is equal to 2 into sin A, I am taking 0 degree. We are taking A equal to 0 degree. So 0. So sin 0 equal to 0 I said, 2 into 0, 0. So both left hand side, right hand side we are getting equal answer. Then option A is right. Therefore the answer A is 0 degree. That's it. So angle A equal to 0. That's it. Now we'll go for fourth one. Fourth one, 2 tan 30 degree whole divide 1 minus tan square 30 degree. For this also we must know the table. So 2 into tan 30 1 by root 3 whole divide 1 minus tan square 30 in the sense 1 by root 3 whole square. That's it. Now we have to simplify this. So 2 into 1, 2 divide root 3 whole divide. If you square you will get 1 square the value 1, root 3 square the value 3. Take cross multiple. So I'm getting 2 divide root 3 whole divide. If you take cross multiple, 3 3 minus 1 and 2. So 2 divide 3. That's it. Now just this 2 by 3 bring to numerator. Then 2 divide root 3 into, it will be reciprocal, then 3 divided 2. This 2 will be cancelled. This 3 I'm going to write root 3 into root 3 whole divided root 3 we have. Why I'm writing this 3 in the form of root 3 into root 3 now? It is possible to cancel, so that I'm writing. Okay, which is not possible, just stop the answer. But it is possible, so that I'm writing like this. Now we are getting root 3. check whether we have in root 3, not, but this root 3 we can able to write tan 60 degree. So option D is the answer. Okay, right, we'll go for next one. 9 secant square a minus 9 tan square a. So from this I'm going to take 9 commonly outside, so balance we have a secant square a minus a tan square a. So we know very well this is identity, secant square minus tan square, which is equal to 1. So 9 into 1, which is equal to 9. So where is the option? Option B is our required answer. Okay, now we'll go for question number 6. Students, you just take one by one as a, when I'm completing the sums, please take a notes, then it is very useful during the exam time. Now the question number 6, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus the cosecant theta. So this I'm going to write in the form of sin and cos. Then it will cancel automatically, so that we know very well tan theta equal to sin by cos. So I'm writing here sin theta divided cos theta, and secant we know very well 1 by cos theta, and for cot in the sense cos theta divides sin theta minus cosecant 1 by sin theta. So this reciprocals you must learn. Now I'm going to take LCM for this. Here we have cos theta. So cos I'm taking denominator commonly, but here in term nothing is there. So cos you can multiple 1 into cos. So cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 here. And this side I'm going to take sin theta as a LCM. But here nothing is there. So sin you can multiple 1 into sin. Here cos theta. And here minus 1. That's it. Now this together, this cos and sin will be multiplied. Okay. So cos theta into sin theta. But it is look like a, this is totally fully A, and this is totally A, and this is B, and this is B. See, A plus B, A minus B. Then we know A square minus B square. So this is A square minus B square form. So here I'm going to use A plus B whole square. So what is that? Cos square theta, sin square theta, plus 2 cos theta into sin theta, minus 1 square the value 1, whole divide the same, cos theta into sin theta. We know very well cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equal to 1. So 1 I'm writing here, and 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 we have here. Okay, whole divide the same, cos theta into sin theta. Now see, the plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. The remaining we have what? Cos theta, sin theta also will be cancelled. We have only the 2 is the remaining. That is, so where we have 2 in the option? C. See the option? Option C is our required answer. So please make a note. I'll show you. Okay, next we'll go for next question. Question number 7. Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. See the answer, everything we have in the form of like a sin, cos. This is 1 by sin, 1 by cos. So just everything change into sin, cos, then you will get the answer. The secant I'm going to write 1 by cos A plus tan I'm going to write sin A divided cos A. And this is 1 minus sin A. Don't change anything. The write same thing what we have. Now see the denominator we have a same, that is cos A, and numerator you will get 1 plus sin A, and here we have 1 minus sin A, but denominator nothing is there for this, so 1 like that meaning. So cos A into 1 you will get cos A. See the numerator 1 plus sin, 1 minus sin. So this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So that 1 square minus sin square A. So 1 minus sin square, which is equal to, we know, cos square. So cos square A I'm writing. And next, this is cos A we have in denominator. So the square and this will be cancelled. Remaining we have cos A. Where we have cos A? Option D. That's it. Now we'll go for question number 8. 1 plus tan square A divided 1 plus cot square A. And this is one of the identity. So we must know what is that 1 plus tan square, which is equal to secant square A whole divided 1 plus cot square, that is equal to cosecant square A. So from the identity only we are getting, let I explain you, secant square A minus tan square A, which is equal to 1. So secant square A we need in a what you are getting 1 plus tan square a, and this is the things, right? Like in the same way, cosecant square a minus cot square a, which is equal to 1. So cosecant square a, which is equal to 1 plus cot square a. So this formulas we must read before going these things, okay? Right. Now sine cos, in this form only I am going to write this. So secant is equal to 1 divided cos square a. Likewise cosecant in the sense 1 by sine square a. Then what it will happen? Say this 1 by cos square a. This value if we bring into numerator, it will reciprocal. So sine square a divided 1 means sine square by cos square means tan square a. So that is our required answer. So where we have this option? Option number B. So that is our required one. Okay. Now we'll go for next one. Question number 9. If sin theta equal to 8 by 17, then cot theta equal to what? So first we'll find all the three sides of the triangle. They have given theta here. So theta I am taking. Theta opposite side. 90 opposite hypotenuse. Rest of the side is called adjacent. Right. Now opposite sin theta, which is equal to 8 divide 17. So opposite divide hypotenuse. That is we know. So opposite is what actually? Opposite is 8. So this is 8 and hypotenuse is 17. Okay. Now we'll go adjacent. I'm just taking as a x. Now we'll go for finding this. So we know as very well that is 70 square, which is equal to x square plus 8 square. Means what? In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse, which is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Now I need x only. So 17 square minus 8 square, which is equal to x square. Now this is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So I'm getting this. Now if we add this together, we are getting 25 into 9. This is x square, which is equal to x square comes to opposite root. So 25 root value we know very well, that is 5, and 9 value 3, which is equal to x, and this is 15 equal to x. X in the sense adjacent. Right. Now we'll go for the cot. They asked cot theta equal to what? So cot theta equal to we know adjacent divide opposite. So what is the adjacent? Adjacent now only we have found x. X equal to 15, we got it. Okay. Substitute here 15 divide. Opposite is 8. So 15 by 8. Cot theta equal to 15 by 8. Where we have? Option A. Okay. 15 by 8. That's it. Now we'll go for question number 10. Sin theta into cos 90 minus theta plus cos theta into sin 90 minus theta. So these things here 90 minus theta they given, so that we need to use complementary. Okay. So sin theta into this first one, cos of 90 minus theta we know very well also sin theta plus, and here we have a cos theta into sin of 90 minus theta cos theta. So what is this? Sin into sin square. Likewise here cos into cos square. We know very well sin square plus cos square, which is equal to 1. Where we have that? Option B. That's it. We'll go for question number 11 now. If sin theta equal to 1 by 2, then 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta, whatever. But they have given sin theta equal to 1 by 2. So we'll go for the figure. This is theta I'm taking here. Theta opposite side is opposite. 90 degree opposite side hypotenuse. Rest of the side we know is the adjacent. So sin theta, which is equal, they given 1 by 2. 1 by 2 in the sense that is theta equal 1 by 2, which is equal opposite divide hypotenuse. So what is the opposite? Opposite we have 1. So this is 1 hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So this is 2. So adjacent I'm taking as x. Now we will go for this hypotenuse square, which is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Now 4 square value, what is the side? 2 square value 4, 1 square value 1, 1 comes to opposite minus 1, which is equal to x square. Now this is 3 x square. The square comes to opposite root 3, which is equal to x. Then adjacent is x. Okay, adjacent is root 3. Right. Now they have asked 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta. Now we'll go for this 3 into cos in the sense we know very well adjacent divide hypotenuse minus 4 into adjacent divide hypotenuse cube. Now we'll go for the answer. 3 into adjacent we have root 3 and hypotenuse 2 minus 4 into likewise root 3 divided 2 cube. Now see, this is simplification. 3 into root 3 na 3 root 3 by 2 minus 4 into, so root 3 cube answer 3 root 3 divided 2 cube answer 8. Now we have to cancel this 1 time, 2 time. Now see this 3 root 3 by 2, 3 root 3 by 2, so both are cancelled because in between we have a minus symbol, so 0 we are getting. Okay, now where is the option in that? Yeah, option A is our required answer. So please make a note. Okay, now we'll go for the next question. 12th one, triangle ABC is a right angle at B. So we have one triangle, they said right angle at B. So this is A and C I am taking. Okay, now this is 90 degree. So angle B is equal to 90 degree we have, right? This is B. If they have given one condition, sine of A minus C, which is equal to 0 they have given, then the value of 2A, we have to find 2A plus C is equal to what? Before that we have to find what is the A angle and what is the C angle. Let's go for this. So we know very well, 0, you will write sine 0 degree is equal to 0. So the sine will be cancelled, then we are getting A minus C is equal to 0. Okay, now this minus value goes to opposite, you will get equal. So both are equal, so you will get both are equal. We know what is that, B is equal to 90. Then sum of this two angle we knows very well, that is what is that, 90 degree. Then if you divide by 2 we are getting 45. So this is both are equal to 45. Now we can go for this 2A plus C. So they have asked 2A plus C is equal to what? So 2 into A value 45 and C also 45. Now we are getting a 90 plus 45, so that 135 degree we are getting. This is equal to what? 2A plus C is equal to, we are getting 135. Where? Option number B. That's it. So please make a note. Right, we'll go for the next question. Question number 13. Tan 5 degree, tan 25 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 65 degree, tan 85. Likewise they have given tan 30 only we have a standard value, remaining things we have to cancel by using complement. Right, tan 5 if you use a complement you will get what is that, we knows very well, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, or cot 90 minus theta, which is equal to tan theta. So this complement only I'm going to use it. Okay, now if you write this is as what is it, 90 minus 85, which is equal to, you will get definitely 5. So you will get here cot 85 degree. Likewise the tan 25 we can able to write tan of 90 minus 65, then you will get 25, so that you will get here cot 65. This is standard values, then no need to write anything, and this just you write what we have the same, and tan 85 degree. Right, now see this cot in the sense of 1 by tan, so 1 by tan 85, and this is 1 by tan 65. Here we have tan 30 is equal to, we know, 1 by root 3 into tan 65, just write tan 65 because it is going to be cancelled, and tan 85 we have here. Now see this tan 85 cancel, tan 65 is cancelled, remaining we have 1 by root 3. So this is our required answer. So 1 by root 3 where we have option number C. That's it. This is our required answer. Okay. Now we'll go for the 14th one. Square root of 1 minus cos theta whole divided 1 plus cos theta. So this is the question we have. Now we'll take conjugate for this better. So conjugate in the sense, so what we have in denominator, opposite sign we have to take, and multiple numerator and denominator. So we have in denominator plus, so I'm taking minus like that. Now see, both are same in the numerator, so that you will get 1 minus cos theta the whole square whole divided. This is like a plus b, a minus b, so that this is 1 square minus a cos square, like a square minus b square formula. Okay, right. Now this is, see, the numerator root is common for both, so I'm writing separately. 1 minus a cos square, which is equal to, we know, sin square, so I'm writing like this. Root will be cancelled. Then I have here 1 minus cos theta whole divided sin theta. The sin is common for both now, so 1 by sin and cos by sin 1 by sine we know is very well, that is cosecant theta minus cos by sine we know is cot theta. So where we have this option A. See option A, cosecant minus cot theta. That is we got it. Okay, right. We'll go for a question number 15. Before that, take notes. Okay. 15th one. One of the following is true if angle A is an acute angle. So we have 4 options. In this 4, one only they said true, but when A is acute, then only it is possible. So acute in the sense it is possible be a 30 degree and 45 degree and 60 degree like that, below 90, right? Now from this I'm going to take any one, so better we can take 45, that is okay. So substitute here cosecant into secant, cosecant into secant, cosecant into secant, none of this. So just find cosecant A, secant A is equal to what? So A equal to 45, I'm taking A is equal to 45. Then I'm getting cosecant 45 and secant 45. This is multiple, right? Cosecant 45 we know root 2 multiply. Secant 45 also root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 in the sense this is definitely greater than 1. Okay. If you give some other value, it is possible to get a 1, so that only they have given equal. So this is greater than or equal to 1. This is less than 0, none of this. So definitely option A is our required answer. Okay. Now we'll go for 16th one. Yeah. The value of tan theta whole divide 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta whole divide 1 minus tan theta. This is very big question, because it is a big question actually. This answer I will give in the description better. The separate video I will give for this better. And answer I know very well, that is A. Okay. How we are getting the option A, you will see in the description. Please you can visit the description, because already we have reached a long time, so that I am giving separate video for this. Next 17th one, sin x divided 1 plus cos x plus sin x divided 1 minus cos x. See the numerator in both case sin x is common, so that I am taking common outside. Remaining we have a 1 plus cos x plus 1 minus cos x. That's it. Now take cross multiple here. So outside we have sin x. If you take cross multiple 1 into 1 minus cos x, same thing you will get it. And here also the same thing you will get it. But in denominator, when you multiple this together, this is a plus b, a minus b, so that a square minus b square. Now see this carefully, this is plus cos and minus cos will be cancelled. And now we have the remaining sin x. See this carefully, 1 plus 1, 2, divide. 1 square in the sense 1 minus cos square, we know very well, that is sin square x. Identity we are using here, okay. Now see this, 1 sin x, 1 sin x will be cancelled. So remaining what we have? 2 divide sin x. So 1 by sin x, we know very well, that is cosecant x. This is identity, sorry, reciprocal. So cosecant x, 2 cosecant x, we are getting the answer. So where we have a 2 cosecant x, option D. That is our required answer. Okay. So please make a note this, and we'll go for the next question. 18. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 into cos theta, then cos theta minus sin theta equal to what? So this is we have to find it. They have given this. First you can take given cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2. The multiple value, if it's an opposite, it will be divide. So divide cos theta we are getting. Right. Now this is common for both. So cos by cos you will get it, means 1. Sin by cos tan. So 1 plus tan theta equal to, we have root 2. So number fully one side you can send. So here we have tan theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. That's it. Now see, I'm going to take conjugate for this. So tan theta which is equal to root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. What we have here, opposite sign. That is I'm doing. Now in denominator, root 2 plus 1 only, nothing. But in see the numerator we have, this is like a minus b, a plus b. So that this a square minus b square. So root 2 square minus 1 square. But this side we have, what is that? Tan theta. But see the answer, we have everything sin, cos, cos. So better you can change, this is in the form of sin theta divided cos theta. Okay. Now let's simplify this. Sin theta divided cos theta, which is equal to 2 squared in the sense root 2 square, this is 2 minus 1 divided root 2 plus 1. Take cross multiple. Here we have a 1. Okay. Now root 2 into 2, root 2 sin theta plus 1 is there. So 1 into sin theta we have. Here 1. After subtract, here we have 1. So 1 into cos theta, cos theta. Now see, the sin theta alone you can send opposite side. So what I am getting? What is that? Root 2 sin theta, which is equal to, here we have cos theta. This plus sign goes to opposite, minus sin theta. So this is the asked. Cos minus sin, which is equal to root 2 sin theta. So where we have the option root 2 sin theta? Yes, C. That's it. This is our required answer. Right. Please make a note. We'll go for the next question. Okay. 19th one. The value of sin cube theta plus cos cube theta whole divided sin theta plus cos theta. See the numerator. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube, which is equal. We must know this formula. See this, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This formula you must know. Okay, right. This is I'm going to use. But instead of a, we have a sin. Instead of b, we have a cos. Right. See the numerator now. So we will write sin theta plus cos theta into a square plus b square. I will write this together. But because sin square plus cos square we know is 1. And minus ab means sin theta into cos theta. Whole divide what we have, sin theta plus cos theta. But this together, the numerator and denominator will be cancelled. Now what we have the remaining, sin square plus cos square, we know that is 1, the identity. Okay, minus what is that, sin into cos. See the option where we have this, we have an option number B. See, 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. That's it. This is our required answer. Now we'll go for the next question, number 20. Sin square 25 degree plus sin square 65 degree. So here I will give one clue for this, or else you have to use a complement. The clue I will tell you first. So when you have a same number, same, what is that function we have, sin, both we have a square. If you see sin square, just add the two angle. If we get 90, the answer is 1. This is applicable for cos also. Cos square. Now just add this two angle. If you get 90, the sum of the value is 1. That's it. Now see, 25 plus 65 is equal to 1. So that the answer is 1. If you use complement also, you will get 1. Okay. So where we have the answer is D. That's it. This you can remember. It's very useful in the competitive. We'll go for next one. Question number 21. The value of cosecant square 67 minus the tan square 23 degree. So here also the sum of the angle is 90 we are getting, but we are not getting the function same. So that better you can use the complement. Right. So cosecant complement we know secant. So what you will get it? The cosecant I'm going to write in the form of 90 minus 23 degree. The 67 I'm writing like this, minus, and this as well as. Now see, this is, we have a cosecant of 90 minus theta, which is equal to secant theta we know, but we have a here, instead of theta 23. So secant 23 degree, we have a square, so secant square, minus, what is that? Tan square 23 degree. See, we know that identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is equal to 1. When theta is the same, this is applicable. See, theta 23, so I'm giving 1. So where we have the option number B. That's it. So this is our required. We'll go for the next question, 22. 1 minus tan square theta whole divided 1 plus tan square theta. So we have to simplify this. For this numerator, nothing is there. So better you can write in the form of sin and cos. So I'm writing this is sin square divided cos square. Because tan theta equal to sin by cos. That is I'm using. But in denominator 1 plus tan. 1 plus tan in the sense we know very well that is a secant. Because for square identity I'm using 1 plus tan square equal to secant square theta. This is I'm using. Okay. Now please take cross multiple. So 1 into cos square theta minus sin square theta whole divided cos square. In denominator we have secant. Secant in the sense that is 1 by cos square. Now see this cos will be cancelled. Then the remaining what we have, cos square theta minus sine square theta. That's it. Where we have this option? Option number B. So this is our required one. Okay, right. We'll go for the next question, number 23. If sine 3 theta minus cos of theta minus 6 degree, where 2 theta and theta minus 6 degree are acute angle, then what is the theta? They are asking what is the theta. Right. First you can take the given. What we have? Sine 3 theta, which is equal to cos of theta minus 6 degree. So both are you can bring in the same function. So I'm going to use here complement. So this sine 3 theta I'm going to write cos of 90 degree minus 3 theta. Okay. Here also we have cos of theta minus 6 degree. Now this cos will be cancelled. So remaining I have 90 minus 3 theta, which is equal to theta minus 6 degree. So theta fully one side, numbers fully one side. So minus 6 comes to opposite, plus 6, so 96 degree I'm getting. Minus 3 theta goes to opposite, plus, so 4 theta I'm getting. If you cancel this together, so 1 4s are, I'm getting 2 times 16, 4. So theta is equal to, we are getting 24 degree. Okay, so where we have this option number B. That's it. So this is our required answer. Right, we'll go for the next question, number 24. 24, cos power 4x minus sin power 4x, which is equal to what? And see, we have everything and the sin cos only, no problem. So that first you can write what we knows. Like that, 2 2s are 4, you will get same. So that this also I'm writing. This is 2 2s are 4. Now see, this is in the form of, this is fully A, B. So A square minus B square. So that I'm going to write this is A plus B into A minus B. This is A plus B and A minus B. Like that I'm writing. Now this is fully 1, we know, okay, because this is identity, sin square plus cos square equal to 1, so leave it. And here we have to simplify. So we have a 2 chance. Cos we can able to change in the form of sin. Another one, sin we can able to change in the form of cos. So both we'll try, which we'll get, that is we can go for this. So cos first I'm changing. Cos square we can able to write 1 minus sin square x minus, we have here sin square x. So 1 into this, leave it. Minus, sorry, 1 minus sin square minus 2 sin square x. Check this. If you're not there, you can change the sin square in the form of a cos. 2 answer you will get it. See, 1 minus 2 sin square. Yeah. See here, 1 minus 2 sin square. This is option A. Then they have changed this cos. If you need it, you can change this. Let's, you can check. Cos square x you can keep it. Sin you can change 1 minus cos square. They will not give any one answer only, you will get it. So cos square x, if you multiply this minus 1 plus cos square x, so that we are getting 2 cos square x minus 1. See, this is not available. So this is the correct option A. Okay, so we will go for the next 25. Tan 35 divided cot 55 plus cot 78 divided tan 12. This is very easy. You have to remember the complement here. Okay, so we know very well what is that tan theta is equal to cot of 90 degree minus theta. In same manner, cot of 90 minus theta, which is equal to tan theta. So this complement you must remember. Okay, now see the tan, I'm going to write tan of 90 degree minus what is that, 55. Then you will get, if you subtract this, you will get 35. I'm not doing anything in the denominator. So any one, numerator or denominator only, you have to change. And here this cot, so cot of 90 minus 12, then you will get it 78 whole divide, denominator don't do anything, tan 12 degree. Now see this is tan of 90 minus theta. So tan of 90 minus theta, where same thing I have written here, sorry. Tan of 90 minus theta, which is equal to cot theta. I have written the same thing. Okay, so here the cot theta, but cot theta value is here 55. Divide the same cot 55. And here also, see cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. So the theta value is here 12. Numerator 12, denominator also 12. So that it will be cancel 1. It will be cancel 1. 1 plus 1 we are getting 2. Where we have this 2? Say this option B. That's it. Okay. Now we'll go for the next question. 26. Cos 0 degree plus sin 45 degree plus sin 30, 90, 45, 60. So everything standard value. So no problem. From the trigonometry table, we can able to write the answer for this. Yes, we can. Cos 0 value we know very well, that is 1 plus sin 45 1 by root 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2. That's it. So you have to remember the value. That is very important. Sin 90 value 1 minus cos 45 all 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 in the sense 1 by 2. Right. Now say this 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 and a half means 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. And here also plus 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 and a half means 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. See this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we can able to write this is like a square minus b square. So I'm writing like that. Now the square is common for both numerator and denominator. So this is you will get 9 by 4. And here 1 by 2 because after square you will get only the 2. Now take LCM for this. So I'm taking 4, 9 minus, and here you will get a 2 which is equal to 7 by 4. 7 by 4 we are getting. So where we have 7 by 4? Yes, option C we have. Right. I hope you'll understand this. We'll go for question number 27. Cos of 90 minus theta, sin of 90 minus theta. So this is complement. So we know very well cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta into sin of 90 minus theta we know is cos theta. So but this answer is not available here. So if you simplify the option A and B, if we get this answer, that is correct. So we know very well the C and D is not, so leave it. So we'll go for first option A, then we'll go for option B. So option A I'm taking, just simplify. Answer we have in the form of sin and cos, so that the tan I'm writing in the form of sin divided cos. Here we have tan square, but we don't have here plus. If you have plus, we can able to write a secant. That's very easy. Here we have a plus, right? We'll go there. Now we can able to write a sin square theta divided cos square theta. Just take cross multiple. So what I am getting for this? Sin theta divided cos theta whole divided 1 minus cos square minus sin square whole divided cos square. So whatever if you cancel, the minus is there, so it is not able to continue. You never get this one. Right, we'll go for option B then. Option B I'm going, so it is rejected. Okay, because we never get this one. We'll go for option B. So tan theta, we know very well that is sin theta divided cos theta whole divided. Plus is there here. 1 plus secant square, we know very well that is, 1 plus tan square, that is we know secant square theta. Identity we have used here. So that sin theta divided cos theta whole divide. The secant square we can able to write 1 by cos square theta. Now see, we have here sin theta divide cos theta. If we bring this into numerator, it will be reciprocal. So cos square theta divide 1. Now see this, we can able to cancel this 1 cos, 1 cos. Now what I am getting? Sin into cos. Yes, we got it. Sin into cos. See, this is required. We got it. So option B is our required answer. So few answers we have to find from the option. Okay, like this is the method. Okay, right. So this is the things. Option B we have got it. Right. I hope you'll understand this. Now we'll go for question number 28. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So I'm going to draw one triangle. Angle B they said 90 degree. Okay, and AB. So I'm taking AC. AB they have given 5 centimeter and BC they have given 12 centimeter. And what is AC? First we can find AC because sin C they have given. Sin in the sense hypotenuse is required. Okay, sin C. So C is here. C angle I'm taking here. Angle opposite side, this opposite side, 90 opposite side hypotenuse. Rest of the side is called adjacent. Okay, this is adjacent now. Right. We'll go for first hypotenuse. Right. See this hypotenuse I'm taking as x. Okay. Now we know the square of the hypotenuse, which is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. So that I'm getting this one. Now simplify this. X square, which is equal to 25 plus 144. If you add this together, we're getting 169. This is x square. So x value, what you will get it? Root 169, which is equal to 13 centimeter. Yes. So x value is 13 centimeter. We have got it. Now we'll go for what they have asked. Okay. Sin C they have asked. Sin C in the sense, see, opposite divide hypotenuse. What is the opposite? Opposite is AB. So AB, hypotenuse is AC. So AB value we know is 5. EAC I have taken x in the sense 13. So sin C, which is equal, we are getting 5 by 13. 5 by 13, that is our required answer. Right, 5 divided 13. I didn't write option, but 5 by 13 is the required answer. Okay, we'll go for 29. Triangle ABC is right angle at B. So they said a right angle at B. So B right angle. So I'm taking here A, B, C, right. And they given one int. What is that? Sine of A minus C, which is equal to 1 by 2 they have given. Then the angles A, B, C respectively are what? So they have asked A, B, C respectively what? So we know B is 90. So A, B, C, that is they have said. So 90, B is 90, B is 90. So this is something they have given. Then D is rejected. Leave it. So from this A, B, C we have to find. Before that we will simplify this. So sine of A minus C, which is 1 by 2, where we will get it now? Sine 30 you will get 1 by 2. Now the sine is cancelled. So A minus C is equal to 30 degree. Minus C you can sine opposite. Then A equal to 30 degree plus C. Means what is the meaning? Compared to A and C, A is greater. Okay. So A is greater than C. So now it's very easy to find the answer in the option. See, A is greater. So C is small and A is, C is greater compared to A. So option A is rejected. Now see, this is A angle, C angle, both are same. So B also rejected. C we have select. See, if we substitute 30 degree, suppose if we are taking A and B, C now, this is suitable for this. B is 90 degree. See, if you are substituting this 30 degree here, 30 plus 30 we are getting 60. So option C is comfortable. Right. Now we'll go for question number 30. Cos square 20 degree plus cos square 70 degree whole divided sin square 59 degree plus sin square 31 degree. I have given one clue for this. If you are looking same function cos square, that time you have to add the angle. 20 plus 70 we are getting 90. If we get 90, the angle I said 1. So substitute 1. Divide. See the denominator. Here also we have sin square. Add 59 plus 31 we are getting 90. Then 1. That's it. This clue I have given already. So 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. So we are getting option D. If you need a step also, I will give. Means you have to give use complement, then you will get same answer, no problem. Okay, I hope you will understand this. Thank you for watching this video, my dear. So continuously please you can support my channel. I'll upload all the chapters related to 10th, 9th, 11th, 12th, everything. Thank you for watching. Again, thank you. Okay, please don't go. I will give one sum for you people as a homework or some other things. Please you can do the sum and the answer you can give in the description. Okay, this question you can try. The answers please you can give in the description. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for getting more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification.